9 athletes as well. They set it up for her. Jenna.
Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe and even comment. So coming off the blocks with blazing speed, it's Jamaica's sprint sensation Tia Clayton. In today's head-to-head showdown, she takes on seasoned champions Natasha Morrison and Daryll Neita. Can she hold off the experience? Let's witness the 100-meter dash that stunned the track. Clutch your seats. This is speed, victory, and passion. So guys, let's watch the race and come back for more. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so.
Marie-José Talou Smith of the Côte d'Ivoire. I'm sure she races more than anybody on the whole circuit. A prolific racer. 4th in Lausanne, 11.07. Still in good form, the 35-year-old. Daryll Neita of Great Britain. 4th in the Olympic 100, 5th in the 200. So frustrated with those, although she got a silver from the sprint relay. Tia Clayton, 7th in the Olympic Games. The Jamaican silver medalist. Only a youngster, just 20 years old. And Patricia van der Weken of Luxembourg completes the lineup. She's a late addition, I think, because when I travelled here a couple of days ago, I was chatting to a certain Dina Asher-Smith at the airport as we were waiting for our bags. Dina announced yesterday she was pulling out of this meeting. I'm not sure if she's felt a niggle or if she's just not feeling 100%, but Dina flew here to Poland but is not competing tonight. So the meeting record, well, it's a rather impressive one. I'm not sure we'll see an extra one added in this race. 10.66 by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price of Jamaica a couple of years ago. But 3 Olympic finalists go here. And all eyes on Svoboda in lane 5. There she is, real powerhouse. She's a tremendously quick starter. Look for her to probably lead at halfway and then maybe to get run down. Can she stay ahead though to send everyone home on a high, with Mondo of course 2 more attempts at that world record in the vault to come. Well, a really good start from Tamari Davis, their 4th from right. Svoboda's got some running to do here yet. I don't think she's going to win this one. Really good running on the near side too from Tia Clayton. Tia Clayton takes it there on the near side, I think. Probably the shortest athlete in the race and the youngest at 20. The Jamaican in lane 8, I think, just nicked that. 10.81. Well, it is super fast. That's the 5th fastest time in the world this year, and for Clayton it is indeed a new lifetime best by a pretty big chunk. 10.83 she's given in fact, but it is nonetheless a lifetime best. Svoboda didn't get her usual bullet start from lane 5, wasn't able to get the blood up for the crowd through the first half at least, but Clayton, well, she's similarly small in stature, but boy did she hold her form well through the second half and just hung on there.
Welcome back once again, guys. I hope you have all watched the whole race, and it has been a very, very interesting race because as the athletes settled into blocks, the tension was electric. On one side, Natasha Morrison, a seasoned Jamaican sprinter with years of experience, and on the other side, Daryll Neita, the British powerhouse, hungry to prove her dominance on the international stage. But between them stood the rising star, Tia Clayton, known for her explosive start and fearless drive. She was ready to make a statement. The gun fired and Tia rocketed out of the blocks. Her acceleration was unmatched, leaving Morrison and Neita fighting to keep pace. Stride by stride, the young Jamaican extended her lead, her form smooth, and her confidence was unshaken. By the 50 mark, the crowd already knew. A new queen of speed was storming down the track. Crossing the line fast, Tia Clayton silenced any doubts, proving that Jamaica's sprinting legacy is in powerful hands. This wasn't just a win, it was a warning shot to the sprinting world. Tia Clayton is here. And there you have It is a dazzling victory for Tia Clayton, leaving Natasha Morrison and Daryll Neita trailing in her wake. Jamaica's future looks brighter than ever, with young stars carrying the torch of sprinting greatness, and it is dominating in their sprinting houses. When it comes to their youngest sprinters, they are raising Jamaican flag high because they are always winning, and they keep Jamaican history the same, because these people are well known for their sprinting powers, because we all know Jamaica has a lot of well-known sprinters like Usain Bolt, Sherika Jackson, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, sprinters who are well-known, sprinters who run their level best. And if you enjoyed this race breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment of track and field history. Drop your thought in the comments. Is Tia Clayton the next big name in women's sprinting? This is only the beginning. Stay tuned for more speed, more drama, and more unforgettable races.